Ready to transform your Kick streams from a chaotic mess into a well-oiled, interactive machine. Today, we're diving into how to link your Kick account with Botrix, unlocking a world of automation, moderation, and engagement tools. First, head over to the Botrix website and create an account or login if you're already part of the Botrix family. Once you are logged in, you'll find yourself on the Botrix dashboard. Look for the big Connect Kick button and give it a click. This will start the authorization process. A window will pop up asking you to authorize Botrix to access your Kick account. Make sure you carefully review the permissions Botrix is requesting. When you are ready, click Authorize to grant access and link your account. Now that your Kick account is linked, it's time to set up some commands. Navigate to the Commands section in your Botrix dashboard. This is where the fun begins. You can create custom commands for anything you want, from shoutouts to answering frequently asked questions. Simply enter a command name, the desired response, and save it. The Botrix is much more than just commands. Explore the moderation settings to filter out unwanted messages, set up auto moderation, and keep your chat a positive space. And don't forget the engagement tools. Set up timed announcements, polls, or even loyalty programs to keep your viewers hyped and coming back for more. With Botrix, you will be able to enhance your Kick streaming experience and interact more effectively with your audience.